Okay, see, what is the valency of hydroxide ion? What is the valency of hydroxide ion?
Ray -1.
Minus
Sir,
one.
-1. -1,
Minus
sir.
1. Correct, -1. OH
Sir,
minus, right?
-1.
Hydroxide is OH minus. What is the formula of carbonic acid?
H2CO3.
Sir, H2CO3. D.
Option D, correct. H2CO3 is carbonic
Sir,
acid. Is it clear?
sir, the first lesson did you write any notes, sir? Any worksheets like that?
Yes, ESF, extension of symbols and formulae.
Yes, sir.
No
Like,
need,
did you give
no
any
need, no need to write any notes. See, but do one thing. We have
Yes, sir.
monovalent, divalent, trivalent, cations and anions are there now.
Yes, sir.
Copy those two tables, and I practiced a few examples, right?
Yes, sir.
Copy those, note those examples.
Sir, they are in LMS, no, sir?
LMS only. Everything, the content is there in the LMS.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Next. Formula of carbonic acid is H2CO3. Next. All of these radicals, seventh one, question number 7. All of these radicals have a valency of 1, except all of these radicals have a valency
CO3.
of
So
1,
B.
except option
CO3.
D.
CO3.
Yeah, OH minus, NO3 minus, HCO3 minus, but CO3 minus 2, right? Correct. Next. Eighth one, question number 8. Formula of calcium hydrogen carbonate is
Sir, CaHCO3 2.
CaHCO3.
Sir, option
Sir,
3.
CaHCO3.
Sir, C.
Option 3.
CaHCO3 taken twice.
Yes, sir.
Your option C is correct answer. Why? Because calcium is a divalent metal. Bicarbonate is a monovalent
Monovalent
negative radical.
negative radical, sir.
Yeah, they combine in 1
Sir,
to 2
answer
ratio, 2 ratio. So CaHCO3 taken twice. Next. Ninth one. The charge on an ion is a measure of its
Valency.
Valency. A.
valency. Very good. Expression of ratio of combining number of atoms or ions is called as
Formula.
Formula.
formula. Very good. So 10 questions completed. How many of you got full marks?
Sir,
10
got,
out of
sir.
10.
Sir, I got.
Okay, guys. Now this
So
worksheet
what
has
is the
some.
10th answer? So
Sorry.
what is the 10th answer? 10th answers.
Option C formula.
Sir, once can you show that all questions are once I'll write the answers.
Take a screenshot if you want. Even these assignments are available in the LMS also. You can download
Yes,
from
sir.
there.
Like I'm writing notes, so that's it. 1 minute.
Sir, what is the ninth answer?
A. Option A. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir?
Can you? Yes. What's asked?
Yes, sir. Sir, that in the second one, hydrated sodium carbonate is there, no, sir?
Yes.
Sir, like that, any other forms of sodium carbonate will be there, sir?
No. Sodium carbonate is available as Na2CO3. That is not a form.
Extra, sir. It's a new
That is not.
compound.
That is not a form. That is when it is exposed to the atmosphere, it forms a complex with water molecules. That is called as water of crystallization. That is called as water of crystallization. These concepts you have in 10th. That is not
So
a
what is
other form.
anhydrous,
That is.
sir?
Sorry.
Anhydrous, sir.
If there is no water molecule, then it is anhydrous. If it is exposed to the atmosphere, it forms a complex with water molecules. The 10H2 are there now. That means per one formula of Na2CO3, there are 10 water molecules are attached. Don't think this is a solution of Na2CO3. This is not a solution. This is a salt only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the lesson name is chemical arithmetic.
Chemical
Sir.
arithmetic, right.
Okay, sir.
Can I go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So guys, this is worksheet number 2. In this worksheet, you have questions based on oxidation number to find oxidation numbers. So do it. Don't guess the answers. Note the question number and solve and send your answer. Send your correct answer. Okay. So the first one, 11th one, the oxidation number of carbon in CO2, carbon dioxide. The oxidation number of carbon in CO2, carbon dioxide. Okay. All are saying it's 4. So
4, sir.
why it is plus 4? Why can't it be negative 4? Minus 4?
Sir, because O is minus 2, no, sir. This should be plus 4, sir.
Why O is minus 2 there?
Sir,
Sir, non-metal, sir.
Sir, it is oxide.
Carbon is also non-metal.
Sir, but it has 2 values, sir. Plus or minus 4.
sir, oxygen is more
Electronegativity.
electronegativity.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
is the answer.
Electronegativity.
Oxygen is
That's
more
right.
electronegative than carbon. Simple answer.
Yes, sir.
Right? Next. That's why the option D plus 4 is the answer. Next. 12th one. Chlorine is in plus 1 oxidation state in. Chlorine is in plus 1 oxidation state in among the following 4 options.
Sir, A.
Among. It is in plus 1 oxidation number. Options
Sir,
are
HCl.
HCl, HClO4,
HCl, sir.
ICl,
HCl, sir.
Cl2O. Guys, I told you to solve. Don't say the answer directly. Don't guess the answer. Solve. You'll get the answer. HCl. How it is HCl? Which is more electronegative, chlorine or hydrogen element?
Chlorine, sir.
Then how it gets a positive one?
Sir, we are not saying it's positive, no, sir. Oh, plus 1
Read the question
wow.
carefully. Chlorine is in plus 1 oxidation state in. Jutika saying D, option D. Srikar saying C. Sitaram saying option C.
Sir, C, sir.
Mayuk Reddy saying both A and B. Nagarjun Reddy, Pratyaksh saying option C.
How did it?
Solve it. Solve each and every option. What is the oxidation number of chlorine in A? Option A. What is the oxidation number?
Minus 1, sir.
Very good. Next, option B, HClO4. What is the oxidation number of chlorine in HClO4? Mayuk Reddy saying 7. Okay. What is the oxidation number of chlorine in HClO4? Do it. How to do it? What is the expression? Hydrogen oxidation number is 1 plus chlorine we need to find. So 1 plus X. We have 4 oxygen atoms. So 4 into minus 2, how much?
Minus 8.
Minus 8, that's a neutral molecule, so equal to 0. That means 1 plus X minus 8 equal to 0. X equal to
7, sir.
plus 7. So option
Yes,
B
sir.
is also no. Okay, Jutika saying. Okay, Jutika, just wait for a second. I will explain. So option C, ICl. We have 2 elements, iodine and chlorine. Which is more electronegative, whether iodine or chlorine?
Iodine, I guess, sir.
No.
Sir,
Is it
chlorine. Sir, chlorine is more. Sir, chlorine is more.
electronegative? Correct. See, the reason is
Okay.
chlorine is a 3rd period element. Iodine is a 5th period element. Top to bottom electronegativity increases or decreases? Decreases.
Decreases.
So chlorine is more electronegative than iodine. So here also chlorine gets a negative 1, iodine gets a positive 1. Now look at the 4th option. Option D, Cl2O. Cl2O. So we have 2 chlorine, so take 2x. 2x, we have 1 oxygen atom, so 2x minus 2 equal to 0. X equal to how much?
1.
1. Plus 1 or minus 1?
Plus one, sir.
Plus 1. So Jutika answered correct. Very good. So option D is correct answer, guys. And you need to solve all the all solutions will be there, must be there in your class notes. Okay. Next 13th one. Oxidation number of sulfur in sulfide is whether -2 or 0 or +2 or -6. Oxidation number of sulfur in S-2. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in S-2? Maruti is saying option A. Okay. Suchindra saying A. Mithil also saying A. Akash, Utkarsh. Jutika saying option B. Okay. Sitaram A. Vishnu Kantamaneni option A. Pratyaksh option A. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me explain. What is this? S-2 means what is it? This is sulfide, right? What is the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfide ion? We have a rule. I think rule number 3 or 4. Oxidation number of monoatomic ions is same as the charge on it. Yes or no? Oxidation number of monoatomic ions is same as the charge on it. That means what is the oxidation number of Na plus ion? Plus 1.
Plus one.
What is the oxidation number of Mg plus 2 ion? Plus 2. Sorry, Mg plus 2, yeah, plus 2. In the same way, what is the oxidation number of S minus 2 ion? Minus 2. This S
Minus.
minus 2 indicate it already gained 2 electrons, right? So it will be its oxidation number. Minus 2 is the answer. How it can be 0? This is not a pure element, right? This is an ion.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, option A is correct answer. Option A. Next 15th one. Leave 15th one. I will discuss.
14th, sir. 14th.
Wait. Sorry, 14th one, right? Wait. 14th. Oxidation number of oxygen in O2 molecule is +1, 0, +2, -2. Oxidation number of oxygen in O2 molecule, O2 gas. Kirti, Jayshrikar, Pratyaksh, Maruti, Mithil saying option B. Very good. That is the correct answer. Why? Because O2 is made up of 2 oxygen atoms belong to the same
Minus,
element.
minus.
So what is the electronegative difference? Exact. Completely 0. So none of them gains or lose. So oxidation number is 0. Very good. Next. Leave 15th one I will discuss after the 20th. So next 16th. 16th question. The oxidation number states of phosphorus vary from. See, I'll give clue for this question once check the chat window. Once check the chat window. Phosphorus can form these two compounds. Phosphorus can form these two compounds. One is PH3, the other one is PCl5. So that is one is phosphine.
Sir, -3
Name is
plus
called
1.
as phosphorus pentachloride. So now answer, guys.
Sir, -3 plus 5.
Plus 5.
-3 plus 5, sir.
Okay. Let's take pH3, which is more electronegative, whether phosphorus or H.
Sir, phosphorus.
Phosphorus is more electronegative. That means it gains all the 3 electrons from 3 hydrogen atoms. So it will get -3 oxidation number, right? In
Yes, sir.
pH3, phosphorus gets -3. In PCl5, we have 1 phosphorus and 5 chlorines. Yes. So which is more electronegative in this case? Whether phosphorus or
Phosphorus.
chlorine?
Phosphorus, sir.
No.
No. Chlorine.
Chlorine is more electronegative.
Yes, sir. By mistake, I told.
Yeah,
Chlorine.
chlorine is a 17th group element. Phosphorus is a 15th group element. Left to
Yes,
right,
sir.
electronegativity increases. In this case, phosphorus loses, chlorine gains. So chlorine gains all the 5 electrons of phosphorus, leaving phosphorus with a +5 oxidation number. Is it clear, guys? What is the correct option? Option A. Very good. Next 17th one. Sulfur has the highest oxidation number in options are SO2, H2SO4, Na2S2O3, Na2S4O6. Again, don't guess the answer. Solve all the 4 options and answer. Better. Sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid, sodium thiosulfate, or sodium tetrathionate. 4 options out of 4. Suchindra saying option A. That means sulfur dioxide. Vishnu also saying option A. Okay. Jutika saying option B. Okay, Pratyaksh. You saying B. So let me discuss. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfur dioxide?
-2, sir.
What is the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfur dioxide?
-2, sir.
How -2?
Sir, sulfur is
Which is more electronegative?
Sir, it's -4, sir.
Which is more electronegative, sulfur or oxygen?
Oxygen,
And
sir.
how sulfur gets minus?
+4.
Oh, sorry, sir. +4, sir.
Then see, in these two elements, sulfur is less electronegative than oxygen. That means we have 2 oxygen atoms, so 2 into -2, how much? -4. X minus 4 equal to 0. X equal to how much? +4. Next, option B. Let's check option B. Sulfuric acid. What is the expression? How much?
Sir, plus 6, sir,
Mayukrit,
+6.
Mayukrit is saying 6. Okay.
+6, sir.
Yeah, look at the expression. 2 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. Is it clear? For sulfuric acid, the expression is 2 plus x minus 8 equal to 0. Any doubts?
no, sir.
Why 2? Why? Because we have two hydrogen atoms plus x. We have 4 oxygen atoms, so 4 into -2 -8. It's a neutral molecule, so equal to 0. So x equal to how much? 6. Right? Next, let us check option C. Sodium thiosulfate, Na2S2O3, Mayukredi correct. Option C I'm dealing with. We have 2 sodiums, that means 2, plus we have 2 sulfurs plus 2x. We have 3 oxygen atoms, so 3 into -2, -6. That means 2 plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. How much x equal to?
2.
2, sir.
X equal to 2 plus 2. Next, sodium tetrathionate, Na2S4O6. 2 plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0.
-12.
2 plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. You will get in fractions, right?
Why, sir?
How much?
Sir, 2, sir, will get to.
Why?
8. Wait. Sir, 2, sir.
So which is, yeah, correct, Mithil. So now what is the correct option among these 4? A, B, C, D. What is the correct option?
B.
B.
Option B is correct answer, which is sulfuric acid. Okay, please correct the answer if any mistakes. 18th one. The oxidation number of nitrogen in NO3 minus negative. The oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrate ion. So Jyotika saying option B. I told you, valence and oxidation number are not always same. So what is the expression here? NO3 negative means X minus 3 into minus 2 how much? Minus 6 equal to minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
X minus 6 equal to minus 1. X equal to how much?
5, sir. Plus 5.
Option D is the correct answer. Next, 19th. Oxidation number of chlorine in KClO4. Oxidation number of chlorine in KClO4. Potassium chlorate. Stika saying option D, that means minus 7. Which is more electronegative? Chlorine or oxygen?
Sir, plus 7, sir.
Plus 7, not minus 7. In the above example, in the 12th question, I
Yes,
told you.
sir.
Chlorine electronegativity is around 3.1. Oxygen electronegativity is around 3.4. So chlorine is less electronegative than oxygen. In that case, the expression is 1 plus x minus 8 equal to 0.
0.
Yeah.
So plus 7.
Plus 7 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next, oxidation number of chromium in K2Cr2O7, that means potassium dichromate. What is the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate?
Sir, what is valence of chromium, sir?
That's what you have to find.
Oh, yeah.
Sir, how many oxygen atoms are there, sir? Can you say the number?
K2Cr2O7. 7
Sir,
or
plus
less.
6, sir. Plus
Okay.
6.
Sir, we
Sir, plus 6, na, sir?
Okay, wait.
Yes, sir, plus 6, sir.
Plus 6 is the answer. And we left 15th one, right? Now answer maximum oxidation number of state of chromium. Option C, 6. 15th one, option C. Okay. So we're done with assignment 1 and 2. So next part of this topic, chemical arithmetic, is naming of ionic and molecular compounds as well as naming of acids. How to name all these I will discuss, but before that, 1 second, I'm stop sharing.
So I'm having a doubt.
Please ask what's your doubt.
So regarding this chapter, another is there any liquid or a gas which has a higher interparticle force than that solid?
Is there any liquid or a gas?
Liquid which has a stronger interparticle force than a solid.
Liquid has a stronger interparticle force of attraction than solid.
No, so I'm asking, is there any exception?
Exceptions, I don't think so, but if any, I will find out. If there, I will tell you, let you know. I don't think so. Why? Because in general, solid means what? How it exists in a solid state? If there is more force of attractions only, right? If all the atoms
Yes,
come
sir.
closer, hold together very tightly, then only it will become a solid. If there is some space also, it will become a liquid. If more space, it will become a
Yes.
gas. You're asking liquids, if any liquids have more force of attraction than solid. If liquids have more force of attraction, it cannot be a liquid. It will become a solid. I will check it out. If there any exceptions are there, I will let you know. What's your name?
Shushruth, sir.
Okay.
Shushruth.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See guys, the slide is the slide visible to you?
yes, sir.
Write the formula of each of the following compounds. Yeah. This time I'm just giving the names of the compounds. I'm giving the names of the compounds. You have to write the formula. You have to write the formula and find the oxidation numbers of all the metals in all these 10 compounds. Find the oxidation number of metals in all these compounds. We have magnesium oxide, ferric chloride, phosphorus pentachloride, ammonium chloride.
So only metal, sir.
Only metals. I want the oxidation number for metals. Sodium bicarbonate, copper sulfate, silver nitrate, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, calcium carbide. No, one by one. Just first write the formulas.
First one is N.
Do it in class notes. Don't say. Do it in your class notes. First write all the formulas. Finished?
No, sir.
Maruti saying finished. Okay. If you're done with the formulas, then find the oxidation number for all the metals. Can I write the formulas? Can I give the formulas?
No, sir. Sir, give us 2 minutes, sir.
Jutika, it is not aluminium chloride, it is ammonium chloride.
Partial.
Yes, correct. Okay, okay, I'm giving the formulas.
Sir, wait, sir. One.
Okay, see. Magnesium oxide. MgO, ferric chloride.
FeCl3.
Correct. FeCl3.
Sir, in phosphorus pentachloride, what is the metal, sir?
There is no metal. Do it for phosphorus. Find for phosphorus. No one
Okay, sir.
asked why. Phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. There is no metal here. Find the oxidation number for phosphorus in this case. In ammonium chloride also there is no metal.
Yes, sir. Ammonium
NH4,
chloride is NH4
NH,
too, sir.
no,
NH4Cl.
NH4Cl.
Hmm.
Find the oxidation number of N. Next, sodium bicarbonate. NaHCO3.
NaCO3.
Copper sulfate.
CuSO4.
Silver nitrate.
AgNO3.
Potassium permanganate.
KMnO4.
Bicarbonate
KMnO4.
is
Correct.
the sodium bicarbonate is what, sir? NaHCO3, sir.
NaHCO3.
So
Potassium
K2Cr. So
K2Cr2O7.
K2Cr2O7. Yes, sir.
Correct. K2Cr2O7. Guys,
O7.
please check your answers once. If any mistakes, please correct it out. K2Cr2O7. Next, calcium carbide is
So,
CaC2. I think this already explained.
CaC2, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, guys, I'm asking you to find the oxidation number for all the metals. Let's start with magnesium oxide. What is the oxidation number of magnesium in magnesium oxide?
Sir, what is the formula of
Sir,
potassium
oxidation
dichromate,
number
sir?
of carbon is +4, sir.
One second. Potassium dichromate formula is K2Cr2O7.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is oxidation number of carbon, sir? +4, sir.
Oxidation number of, in general it is +4 or -4, but it depends upon the bonding also. Yes or no? Oxidation numbers depends upon the bonding, how it is bonded.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, let's start with magnesium oxide. Magnesium, what is the oxidation number? +2. Ferric chloride, iron, what is the oxidation number?
Sir, +3, sir.
+3. Aishwarya, what is your doubt?
So if you're asking any homework, sir.
Any homework? Homework is do one thing, notes. Copy the notes from LMS.
Okay.
So ferric chloride is Fe+3. Phosphorus pentachloride is
3, sir.
+5.
no, +5. PCl5 +5.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Ammonium chloride
is -3. -3.
Sir, no, sir. Yes, sir. -3.
-3. The expression is X +4 -1 equal to 0.
-1. Yes, sir.
Correct. Next, sodium bicarbonate. Sodium belong to the first group element +1. Copper sulfate. What is the oxidation number? Sulfate is -2. Copper is
Sir.
+2. They combine in 1:1 ratio. What is sulfate ion?
Yes, sir.
SO4 -2, right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
So copper should be +2. Next, silver nitrate
Sir, 1, sir.
+1. Potassium permanganate. Potassium also belong to the first group element. So anytime it is
+1.
+1 only. Potassium dichromate. We have two potassiums. What is the oxidation number? It's not +2. It is +1 only, but we have two potassium atoms. That's it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
+1 only. Calcium carbide +2. Calcium belong to the second group element. Is it clear, guys? Any doubts?
Sure.
Any doubts? So, okay, just wait for your, I think you have math class now. We'll meet in the next class. Okay.
Sir, you have to write important points from LMS, sir.
Main points, yeah. Rules are there. Note all the rules. For example, definition is there. There is a full paragraph is there. Just write the definition. Don't
Okay, sir. Okay.
paragraph. Okay, but the rules, write all the rules. Rules
Okay,
to
sir.
find oxidation numbers. Next part is naming of ionic and molecular compounds that I will explain in the next class. Okay. Just wait for your math class.
What is formula for potassium permanganate, sir?
KMNO4.
Sir,
Guys,
they gave some assignments in